Solar power is a leader when it comes to convenient power sources. If you're thinking about adding a new level of security to your home, a good component to start with is an outdoor solar-powered security camera. There are vast numbers of wireless and solar cameras on the market today, but in this video, I will show one of the best solar security camera. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product video reviews. In today's video, we are reviewing Xega 4G LTE cellular security camera, solar-powered outdoor camera with PIR human detection. Xega is a new line that focuses on 4G cellular security cameras and outdoor security cameras for home or business solution, aims to create the finest security products for consumers and business owners, and help you configure the perfect solution for your place of business. Let me show you its package contents. You will get a solar panel, Xega 4G LTE cellular security camera, quick installation metal base along with guide sticker, USB power cable, user manual and other helping material, screws and different tools. The non-stop power supply from the solar panel will offer the camera a long-lasting working time. You can place solar panel outside and use camera inside, or place camera for outdoor security, whatever you want. Xega S20 cellular security camera wireless outdoor can work where with 4G LTE coverage, no Wi-Fi needed. Brings a wire-free experience for garden, country house and construction site. A trial SIM card inserted into the camera, but this US version cellular security camera support North American areas like US, Mexico, Canada. Other countries may not compatible. It is equipped with PIR detection, color night vision, 4x digital zoom, two-way audio, IP66 waterproof and lots of other features. On the underside of the camera base, you can see camera on and off switch. Along with that, there is USB port for solar power cable. On the underside of the camera, you can see reset button to reset camera settings. This is nano SIM card slot. This is local storage card slot. Save all motion detection video clips in SD card locally up to 128 gigabytes. On the front side, you can see PIR sensor, microphone, photosensitivity sensor, camera lens, infrared, white LEDs and 2 antennas. Now let's install and demonstrate this camera. The app is available on both Google and Apple Store. Simply download, install and create account. After creating account, add camera into your app. Via app you can control camera better. You can see speaker and mic icon that are for two-ways audio.
Hello, testing 1 2. Hello, testing 1 2.
From screenshot icon, you can take a picture. From video icon you can record video. At the end, there is cloud icon for cloud storage. There is a small light icon, for this you can turn LEDs on and off. You can zoom in and out from plus and minus icon. From controller, you can roll camera, pan and tilt. This camera is also equipped with color night vision. The cellular security camera features two-way HD night vision, white spotlight mode and infrared LED night vision. The white spotlight enables it to capture clear 2K HD color footage from up to 65 feet away. The IR red mode enables the camera to capture the highest quality achromatic clear images up to 65 feet away. The spotlight of the 4G LTE outdoor camera can be set to turn on when a moving object is detected in the dark, providing a clearer image even in the dark night. You can also customize the sound alarm to sound a loud siren to scare away unexpected intruders. With built-in 14,400 mAh rechargeable battery, this outdoor wireless camera can work anywhere without electric cable. This security camera is IP66 waterproof design. You never need to worry about the rain or snow may damage the camera. Hope you will like this camera. Discount link is mentioned in the description. Go get yours. Before leave, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.